You can listen to white noise directly on your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro using a feature called Sound Space on this particular earbuds. And to get that, all you have to do is to ensure that your earbuds are connected to your phone and to the HeyMelody app on your phone. Now, once you set them up on the HeyMelody app, once you launch it, you should see a page like this. It should land you on a page like this. Simply select your earbuds. Or if you're using a OnePlus phone, simply go into Settings, select Bluetooth, and then select your earbuds and tap on Earbud Functions, and it should land you on this page. Now, in this page, all you have to do is scroll down and find a feature called Sound Space. And this feature allows you to immerse yourself in white noise as you focus, relax, take a nap, or as you sleep. So once you tap on that, it's going to load for you a couple of pre-customed white noises. And as you can see, the Summer Seaside is available by default. And you have this other couple of options which you can tap on the download option to download them onto your phone. So this particular category is for music, and then this particular category is for ambient sound. So if you put your earbuds in your ear, let me see if I can get you to listen to that. You can tap on any sound, and I don't know if you can hear that. Those sounds are going to play on your OnePlus earbuds. Now, this particular feature is available by default. As long as you connected to the HeyMelody app, you should be able to get access to them, and you can pause that at any time and stop that at any time and come here at any time. And you have this other settings option at the top here where it allows you to stay lit on the playback page. This screen stays lit and does not automatically turn off when the playback page is displayed. So you can choose to enable this or disable it. And here you have your cache option, and you can tap on the cache option to clear the cache when you need to. That's basically how to listen to white noise, or how to use the sound space feature to listen to white noise for when you want to relax, sleep, or even just basically kick your feet back. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.